This is Azalea. She's only just over 5 months old, but she really wants food, and she gets really mad if we don't give it to her. So we're just gonna try. I think she thinks she's ready. There she goes. Avocado. She really more. Here's more. Yeah. She really. Chew it on? Want some more? You're not ready? It's a little hard to do this in. Is that yummy? Do you like it? Oh.
Her first avocado, guys.
I'm giving it to you as best I can. It's so good. Okay, here we go. A little bit more. Oh my goodness. Okay, we're gonna have to make more because that's all there is.